$69.3 million is the record for the most expensive NFT ever sold. And you're probably like, wow, that's pretty awesome. What's an NFT? How can I make $69.3 million? Well, stick with me through this video. I'm gonna show you how you can make money with NFTs. I'm probably not gonna be able to show you how to make $69 million, but I will show you some methods that can start bringing in some money and all this hype around NFTs, right? So real quick, let's dive into a brief explanation of what NFTs are and how you can kind of get into this current niche or this trend that is going on. So what NFTs are, they're non-fungible tokens. And you're probably like, well, that doesn't make any sense to me, right? Well, what a non-fungible token is, or a non-fungible asset, is pretty much, it just means it is unique. It cannot be replaced. It's pretty much like the Mona Lisa. So in this industry, or in this current trend or niche, the NFTs that we're referencing is usually pieces of art, right? It's digital art, something that was created, a digital image that is created and traded on the Ethereum blockchain. And Ethereum is just a cryptocurrency where you can, or how you manage to purchase and trade these NFTs, right? So let's just scroll down right here and kind of see how NFTs work. It just talks about how you purchase them with Ethereum, and then you could essentially trade them to somebody else or sell them for more money, maybe in the future, if they're a collector's item. Again, we don't know what's going to happen. Some people treat them like collector's items. Some people treat them like a Pokemon game, right? So should you get some NFTs? Well, that's totally up to you how you want to go about it. I'm going to show you how you can make money with NFTs, and not directly with it, but how a lot of the celebrities are out there making money with NFTs without even having their own NFTs, right? Which sounds kind of confusing right now, but just stick with me. I'm gonna show you exactly how. So let's just scroll down right here real quick, and we'll look at, you can see this little image right here sold for $3,600, right? And the current owner is asking $16,300. So he's treating it kind of like a collector's item, and he owns this NFT, right? And he's just selling it for more. And I'll show you a couple places where you could go purchase your own NFTs, or if you're an artist, you could sell your own digital art, right? In the form of an NFT, right? So what's the point? The point really depends on whether you're an artist, a buyer, a collector, what's your plans, right? So if you're an artist, awesome. You could go list your art on some exchanges. We'll talk about them in a minute. If you're a buyer, obviously there's benefits to buying and holding stuff. It's kind of like an asset. We're in a virtual era, digital era. Everything's going virtual. So if there's perceived value in an NFT, you may want to pick it up. We'll actually talk about this one right here. Logan Paul released his NFT, right? I don't remember how many he released, but I think it was like 3,000 NFTs. And he raked in about $5 million from those NFTs. Yes, he is a big celebrity, but he did create it and it looks just like a Pokemon card, right? So let's just talk about how you can get into this whole NFT industry, right? So you could go over to a website called like crypto.com. It's an NFT marketplace where you could go in here and you can see there's different cryptos. And I'm under celebrities, all gaming, sports. These are just NFTs, right? And people can buy and sell NFTs over here. So if you're an artist, you can come in here and check it out, right? Another good place is the Nifty Gateway. You can see, if you scroll down here, you'll see people are selling. These are the most popular ones, over 3,697 sold for $450, 1,770. So it's just digital art, right? And the purpose of it is to collect it. Maybe some of them are limited edition, like the Logan Paul. I think he only had 3,000. There will not be another one, right? So it's unique. It's a collector's item, right? Another site you could go to is OpenSea.io. It's one of the largest NFT marketplaces, right? You could explore and you could create. So if you want to sell your own, create an account and sell your own, right? And just list them. If you're an artist, I'm no artist, right? I do YouTube, I do stuff like this, right? So you can come in here and you can see that you could browse, you can sell, and you can buy, right? And if you want information, you could just stay in the loop right here, give them your email address, whatever. I'm not like condoning that. But then also just go type in NFT news, see what's trending. But that's not the purpose of this video. The purpose of this video is to show you how you can make money even as a complete beginner and you're not an artist, right? So let's talk about how you can make money if you're a beginner. So let me jump over to YouTube real quick. If you're a beginner and you don't, like, you're not an artist and you're not really a collector and you don't want to invest in all the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, right? But you still want to take you want a little piece of the pie. You want some action on this NFT stuff. If you take a look at YouTube, right, and you just type the word NFT in, you can see on the right-hand side right here is trending really hot right now at the current time of this video. And where I'm going with this is, you see the search volume is super high in the green, 192,000 searches per month on average, and the competition is very, very poor, which means it is easier for somebody like you and me to record a video on NFTs and get it ranked and get a lot of views. And the good thing about views on YouTube is the fact that you can make money either through Google AdSense, which is the ad revenue on the ads that run on your video, like this one. You maybe see a ad on the bottom right now, right? And that can pay you over the course of time as long as your channel is monetized. But even if that's not the case and you're new to YouTube and you don't have a monetized YouTube channel, you can still put links down in the description, which are affiliate links, right? So let's jump over to this link right here. In fact, OpenSea.io, this NFT marketplace that we talked about. So maybe you talk about this and you recommend it to somebody, you can become an affiliate for OpenSea, right? So you would just go over here and you would type in your Google search bar, OpenSea affiliate offer, OpenSea affiliate program right here. It'll pop right up and then you can sign up to be an affiliate for OpenSea. They have one. Let's jump over to another one called Coinbase. Coinbase is where a lot of people go. It's one of the most trusted cryptocurrency places to buy cryptocurrency, right? You go on Coinbase and you have an app on your phone and you can buy Bitcoin, right? Ethereum, you can buy anything like that. So become a Coinbase affiliate. Just Google Coinbase affiliate. You can become an affiliate, right? And then once you become a Coinbase affiliate, you receive 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. This is how a lot of people are actually making money with NFTs. They're not actually going out there and creating them. They're just talking about them. They're blasting it all over their TikTok, their Instagram. They're talking about this stuff and giving you the opportunity to purchase or invest in like one of these platforms like OpenSea or maybe Coinbase or maybe the Nano S Ledger, right? So we could Google right here 5 of the best blockchain affiliate programs to earn passive income. And what this means by is through affiliate commissions. So if you scroll down, the Ledger hardware wallet, if I clicked here, the Nano S Ledger is where people actually store their cryptocurrencies like in a wallet in their house or something. Like it's it's pretty much like a USB drive, but it's a secure wallet. You can see right here, it's a secured wallet for you to store your Bitcoin or your cryptocurrencies on, right? So you can become an affiliate for them and receive a very hefty commission. I want to say it's about 10% for every sale that occurs, right? And then Coinbase, again, you become an affiliate for them and receive 50%. And then you also create content that is valuable to your customers and you can make money on Google ad revenue through your YouTube channel, right? For time and time to come as this grows and this topic grows. But if you are really into all of this crypto stuff and you can create your own coin, you can come over here to OpenSea.io. You could create your own coin and then you can sell it to your audience. Again, on YouTube, let people know that you created a coin, put it out there. Maybe you're on Instagram, put your not your own coin, your own NFT, right? And give people the accessibility to purchase it. At which point in time, if that NFT goes up in value, or even after they buy it from you, it doesn't matter. You'll make money, right? So that's one way of selling your art if you're an artist, right? Or an influencer. You can do that. Crypto.com, when you create an account and you sign in, there will be a refer button on the top right. It's an affiliate referral program. I believe you also make, don't quote me on the prices, but it's about $50 for somebody that signs up, I believe. But they do have a referral program. Terms may change. So don't quote me on that price. But those are different ways that you can make money right now with NFTs. So get to posting. Hope you like this video. Smash that like button if you did. Subscribe for future content.